Hey folks, welcome back. So in this video, we have got a fantastic tutorial for you which is going to simplify your accounting and client management. I'm talking about an integration between Jotform and SevDesk application. Jotform is a robust form builder and SevDesk is an accounting software. And by creating an integration between these two applications, you can automate the process of creating contacts in SevDesk directly from the form submissions data via Jotform. So by integrating and automating this process, you can save a lot of your time, manual efforts, and you can focus on more important things of your business. And the best part is we can set up this whole automation without any coding. So let's get started. To set up the automation workflow, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And to reach this page, guys, you can use the link I have pasted in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, sign up right now from the given link, and after that you can sign in to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here guys, click on this create workflow button, and here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now you can click on this create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page guys, you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which is the trigger and the actions. So our automation work on these two principles. Trigger is that event which is going to start our workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. In our use case guys, getting a form submission via Jotform is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add a contact in SevDesk, okay, using the data of form submission. So when you click on this trigger window, it will ask you to choose the trigger application. So here you have to choose Jotform. And here you have to select the trigger event as new response. All right, and it will give you this webhook URL. So you just have to add this URL inside your form settings, and after that you can capture the data of your form submissions on this URL only, and the data will be captured here in the response section. So let me show you the Jotform application. This is Jotform applications dashboard, and here I'm using a form named as contact form to create contacts. Okay, so here you just have to click on this more option. From here you will find the settings tab, click on it, and the form settings will open up like this. Here on the left hand side panel you will find this integrations option, click on it. From the integrations page, in the search bar you have to search for webhooks, WEBHOOKS, okay, and then open this tab, and here you will find this add webhook field. Here you have to erase this field and copy this URL from your trigger, right, and paste it here under this add webhook field like this, and then click on complete integration, and in a moment your integration will be ready. Okay, so you can see the integration is ready. Now you can click on finish, and now you can publish your form, okay, and open it in a new tab like this. And here you can see guys, as we have copied the URL from here, it started showing waiting for the response of this connection that you have created via webhook URL. So this means now you can perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually fill the form, and I'm going to fill in some random test data, and I'm going to submit the form, and the data of that form submission will be captured here in the response section. Let us see. This is my form, and here let me just give the first name of the person as sample, last name, let's say name. Here you can give any email address, any company name, any random phone number, okay. And here after filling in the test data, just click on submit and your form will be submitted like this. Okay, let's see here in our workflow. Here you can see we have received the data as well in the response section. You can see in this response the data arrives like this: the phone number, the area code, the company name, last name, first name, email, everything captured here in these different labels. Okay, now with the help of this data, I'm going to create a contact in SevDesk. So here in this action window, search for SevDesk application and select the action event here as add contact as person. Okay, right, and then click on connect option. From here select add new connection, and here it will ask you to provide the API key or token key of SevDesk application. So guys, you are going to get this key from the settings of SevDesk application. So you can just reach the settings from here only. I'm going to show you directly from my application. This is my SevDesk account, okay? And here you can see the settings option right here on the bottom left hand side. Under settings, you will find this user tab. Click on user and just open this user name, and here you will find this API token. So click on this show option to open the key, and after that copy the key and paste it here in this field. Let me just do that. So guys, I have pasted the key. Now click on save and you will be connected with SevDesk in a moment like this, okay? And then it will ask you to enter to select the organization name, okay? So this is the organization already created here in SevDesk, which I have selected. Then here it will ask you to fill the first name, legal name, last name, title, and all this data about a contact that you want to add. So guys, I'm going to use the test data that I have received here in the trigger step, and I'm going to map these labels I have received here from the trigger step to here in these fields. So to map the label, you just have to click on the field, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, just click on this first name label to map the first name. Similarly, map the last name, okay? If you have any title, you can map it here. Okay, you can select the category. So I'm selecting the contact category as, let's say, customer. Okay, here you can provide a number to your customer as well. Here you can type the description. I am going to type the description, let's say, as why Jotform. Okay, you can type anything else as well. Okay, and here started to ask the gender, but we did not have the gender because we didn't have asked about it in the form. So you just toggle this map button to on here and erase this field, so it will remain blank. Okay, then here it is asking for the birthday, account number, many things. So if you have all the data, you can map the things here. Okay, so right now I'm just going to fill the data I have here and which is required. And finally, you can test your connection with SevDesk by clicking on save and send test request button, and a new contact will be created inside SevDesk. So I'm clicking on save and send test request. Alright, so here you can see in the response, we have got an object ID created. This means a new contact is added. But here guys, you can see in these fields, we do not have the option to enter the phone number and the email address of the person. Okay, so if you have the phone number and the email address, but if you didn't find the fields to enter here, what you can do, you can just add one more action step. Let me just show you. Just click on this plus icon to add one more action step, and here you can connect with SevDesk once again with a different action event. Let me show you. Just search for SevDesk and here select the action event. Here just select this option, add contact details. Okay, so with the help of this action event, you can add some more details inside a already created contact. So just click on connect option to connect with SevDesk, and we are already connected with SevDesk in the previous step, so you can use that saved connection. Okay, for that you just select this existing connection option and then click on save, and you will be connected again with the previous connection only. Okay, then here it will ask you to enter or select the contact, okay, or map the contact ID. So guys, we have got a new contact ID created here like this in the previous step. So you can map it here. Just toggle this map button to on, erase this field, and from the last step just map the ID label. Okay, you can select after that the communication way, which is email. Okay, then communication way type, and here you can put the value of the communication way, which is the email. So to map the email, just click on the field and from the last step map the email. Sorry, not from the second step, but from the first step, from the trigger only you have to map the email address which you have received via form submission. Just map this email label from the trigger, and if this is a main contact, you can make it yes or no if you want. I am making it yes, and then you can click on save and send test request one more time to add this contact detail inside SevDesk's contact. Okay, so the contact is updated. Let us just check this in SevDesk account inside here, inside the contact section, and here you can see we have got a new contact created with the name sample name. Okay, so when you open it, you will get the email address here as well and the description as well via Jotform. Okay, and this is the same details I have added here. You can see the email address is same, and the description and other things are also same, which I have entered here in the second step. Okay, sample was the name and description is this. So our connection is working fine and we are done setting up the workflow, and you have to set up it only once. After that, guys, it is going to trigger automatically whenever someone is going to submit your form, and a contact will be created with all the details in SevDesk automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.